Hey guys, how we doing here? Quick unboxing video here of gear I just purchased from AR500armor.com. Really looking forward to it. I got to give a shout out to Skinny Medic and Such. Both of them are the ones who basically talked me into going with AR500 armor, and we'll have to see what I got. We'll start with the big box here. Ooh. Ooh. Always fun. Gotta love this paper packaging stuff. Ooh. So basically, in their one goodie pack, we have a whole bunch of stuff in that pack. I believe it's like a t-shirt, bunch of patches and stuff. But here's a hat from them. Very good quality so far. I like how it's the Velcro in the back versus those little peg things. Nice rechargeable flashlight. I run in EMS a lot, and this is something that I definitely can use and need. We have an IFAK here. Basically, I got this because there's I got two rigs. I got a soft body armor rig, and I got the Banshee plate carrier rig as well. In here, basically, let's see if I can open it up quick. Basically, your standard IFAK, everything that you would need. This is going to go on my Banshee rig, more of a tactical style setup than what I would going to be using on an everyday use with the soft body armor setup. More of that lovely packing paper. So this is one of their t-shirts. I'll get to opening that up in a little bit. Another t-shirt of theirs that I got. So in that pack, it looks like here's a coaster. Not quite sure what's in that, but we'll find out. Here looks to be a mag pouch of some sort. No, this is what it is. It is the flashlight holder for the flashlight here. Basically, I got this for basically just a belt flashlight holder. And that. Alright, so here comes, looks like the first rig. This is the concealment rig from AR500armor.com. Looks very nice. Very good quality. I have soft body armor level 3A to go in this. So we'll have to check that out in a little bit. Alright, moving along in our goodie bag here. This looks like the Banshee plate carrier. Basically, I just got the plate carrier, no extra mag pouches or pistol holsters or anything like that. I have two level 4 steel plates for this, front and back. This is more for a tactical setup for me. There's a couple tactical classes that I'd like to take that require a vest. So this is basically what I got for those classes. So let's continue the unboxing here. My cat tourniquet. This is to go with my IFAK that I got. Basically, all of this setup here is going to be going with that Banshee plate carrier there. And then that, like I said, for that tactical class. This is the shoulder pads for the concealment. I got the shoulder pads just to try them out, to see how I liked them, or if I needed them, or if I didn't need them. I wasn't sure what I was getting myself into, so I thought I'd check that out. In the bottom of the box here, it looks like we have the soft body armor. These are the side plates for the, let me see if I can focus it here. These are the 6x8 side plates, and these are for the concealment rig that I have going up. Now that concealment rig I'm going to be using on like an everyday basis, and we'll have to see how that goes there. Right off the bat, the great pricing, very good quality. To be honest, it just kind of feels like a heavy mat, which is kind of good. Very flexible, very bendable. And sorry for the camera, guys. I'm trying to do this all off my cell phone here. Quick raw video of this unboxing. So this is going to be going with the concealment plate carrier. It looks like we have the other side body armor. And in the bottom here, we have the 11x14 soft body armor. Okay, this is level 3A, and this is all for this concealment rig that I'll be using on a daily basis running on the ambulance. I finally bit the bullet and went ahead and got a vest. There was a local shooting in my area that kind of scared the crap out of me. It was very close to my ambulance coverage area, and it would be something that I'd have to respond to. So that's kind of what made me bite the bullet and go ahead and get this. So this is 11x14, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 11x14 advanced shooter's cut. Basically, it gives you the cuts down there. And this is going to go in that concealment carrier. And then there's the second 11x14 front and back with this. One for the front of the plate of the concealment vest. The second is for the back of the concealment vest. I did also get 2 trauma pads. Here is basically what they look like. From what research I've done, definitely recommend the trauma pads with the soft body armor. More of a requirement than anything. With the steel plates, it's nice to have, but it's not needed. So that's why I got 2 trauma pads here to go with the concealment carrier that I got here. So as you can see, that's the first box. Gotta love all this brown paper stuff. So we'll move on to the second box here after I unbury it. Now I believe in this box is going to be the 2 steel plates that I ordered. Believe that's all that I'm missing so far. So let's take a look here. I do have to admit, their packaging is very good. Everything was very nicely packaged. I'm not complaining. $12 shipping on all this. They're located in Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm on the East Coast in Allentown, Pennsylvania. So it definitely was a long journey for this, and it shows how nice their packaging was. Nothing's damaged, which is good. So in the second box here, we have a little info card on their new product line and stuff. This is probably my packing slip. Yeah. Gotta love this brown paper stuff. Alright, so now these are the steel plates that I got. Basically, I got the extra build-up coat on it. Advanced shooter's cut. This is basically for the Banshee rig, and this is for more of one of the tactical firearms classes that I'm going to be taking. Definitely good stuff. Definitely like the build-up coat on it. It is the extra build-up coat, so I'm looking forward to trying this out and getting a review done for you guys. So basically that was the one steel plate. Now this is the 10x12 back steel plate, I believe. Yep. So this is a 10x12 back plate. I got the 10x12 here because I don't plan on getting shot in the back, plain and simple. But it is nice to have some kind of protection back there. You never know what you're going to be running into with that. Ugh. And then I also got two hangers here, basically to be able to hang this rig up, both rigs up, and that. So that's basically all I got. I'll go into a little bit more depth video on all this stuff individually. So look forward to see those to come. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Again, a big shout out to Such and Skinny Medic for getting me hooked on the AR500 website and finally biting the bullet. Alright, have a good one guys.